Okay, if you think that a few extra miles per hour can make all the difference and get you there a bit quicker, then it's time to pick safety over mere seconds. Here's why slowing down pays off and speeding does not pay. Let's look at the myths versus facts of speeding. 5 quick rounds for van drivers. Myth 5. A couple of miles per hour won't matter. Fact: at 30 miles per hour, your thinking distance is about 9 meters, and your total stopping distance is around 23 meters. Push to 32 miles per hour, and a van needs roughly 16 meters more to stop. That's the length of a good city bus and can be the difference between stopping or hitting someone. Myth 4. Speeding saves real time. Fact: over 5 miles driving at 80 miles per hour instead of 70 miles per hour, you only save about 30 seconds. That's 1 minute saved every 10 miles. Or London to Bristol saves 10 minutes and risks of serious injury are quadrupled. It's simply not worth the extra risk. Myth 3. Street lamps mean nothing. Fact: any road with lampposts is automatically 30 miles per hour and 20 miles per hour in Wales unless signs say otherwise. So if there's a light, there's a limit. And what about road types? Firstly, let's see what defines a single carriageway. A single carriageway is a road with any number of lanes with no physical separation between opposing traffic. What defines a dual carriageway? A road with any number of lanes that are separated by a physical divider, such as a central barrier. What defines a motorway? Any number of lanes separated by a physical barrier but have blue signs, and the road name contains the letter M. All road types have varying speed limits for different types of vehicles. Be aware of the road type and the limit applicable to the vehicle you are driving. Myth 2. Country roads and villages are quieter and so less risky to speed. Fact: villages are full of vulnerable road users, horse riders, cyclists, children, the elderly. A little extra speed gives them, and you much less time to react. There is less visibility due to windy roads, and generally roads can be full of skid risks, such as tree leaves. Myth 1. I'm a skilled driver, I can handle it. Fact: even the best drivers, of which you may well be one, can't beat physics. The reaction times, the stopping distances, the extra meters needed to stop at slightly higher speeds, all add up fast to a potential disaster for you, pedestrians and/or other road users. And finally, remember you're driving a van, not a stopwatch. It is not a race against the sat-nav to get there earlier than the stated arrival time on your tech. When assessing your driving conditions, remember that your safe speeds need to match the road conditions, weather conditions, and your van's load, not the limit on the road sign. Rain, darkness, schools, and villages all mean slowing well below the limit. Night driving in a van demands extra caution and vigilance. Crashes are 4 times more likely to be serious or fatal at night, with poor visibility, tiredness, and other road users' alcohol limits all playing a part. So, slow down, plan rests, and take extra care, especially after dark. Please remember, speed limits are maximums, not targets. Always drive to the conditions you are facing. Did you know that, in the UK, one person is seriously injured or killed every 17 minutes? That's 85 people a day, every day where someone is hurt, a family is affected, or worse. Please slow down, count on arriving safely, not quickly.